Welcome, fourth graders, to your coordinating conjunctions lesson. Coordinating conjunctions are words that join two sentences to make a compound sentence. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so are coordinating conjunctions. You've received a lesson on compound sentences, so we're going to recap. A simple sentence contains a subject and a predicate. The subject is the who or what of a sentence. The predicate tells what the subject is or does. The subject is the noun, the predicate is the verb. Robert walks to the bus stop. Robert would be the subject. Walks to the bus stop would be the predicate. A simple sentence is a complete thought made up of a subject and a predicate. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about. The predicate tells what the subject is or does. The simple subject is just the noun, the one word, and the complete subject is all of the subject, all of the words in the subject. The predicate tells what the subject is or does. The simple predicate is just the verb, the one word, and the complete predicate would be all of the words in the predicate, the verb and its modifiers. Remember, a compound sentence. Compound sentences can help spice up your writing and make it sound just a little more exciting. A compound sentence contains two of them, two simple sentences. They're also called independent clauses. They stand on their own, they're independent, and they're joined by a coordinating conjunction. It is raining, but it is not cold. It is raining is the independent clause. Whenever you write a compound sentence, you have your simple sentence, which is your independent clause. Then you add a comma always before using the correct coordinating conjunction. Then it's followed with another independent clause, two in total. So two simple sentences joined by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Your objective for this lesson, I will be able to recognize and write a compound sentence using the correct coordinating conjunction. Now we're going to determine which coordinating conjunction to use and the meaning behind each of them. And you're going to be completing your notes at the end in Seesaw with me. So once again, coordinating conjunctions are words that join two sentences to make a compound sentence. For, and, nor, but, or, yet. So, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. And we have the acronym FANBOYS. Each letter in the acronym FANBOY stands for each of the coordinating conjunctions that you should use to combine two simple sentences to make a compound sentence. So when should you use the conjunction for? For explains a reason. It is used like the word because. For example, you cannot walk to school for it is raining, meaning because it is raining. So use the coordinating conjunction for when you're explaining a reason. It's used like the word because, you plug it in. And is the next coordinating conjunction. Is used to link ideas or add information. Fernanda walks the dogs and Asher feeds the bunnies. Nor is used to present two negative ideas, similar to neither. So it's the same as the word neither. Vicente does not exercise. Nor, neither does he eat healthy food. And notice how when you look at all the conjunctions from the top to the bottom, FANBOYS stands for FANBOYS. It's an acronym to help you remember the coordinating conjunctions. We looked at for, and nor. But is used to show contrast, an exception. When something is the opposite, a difference. Journey loves to eat spinach, but her mom hates it. And notice how it always has a comma before you add the coordinating conjunction. The next one is or. Or is used to show options. Eliana can play soccer, or she can go to summer camp. 2 options. Yet is used to show contrast or conflict, a problem. Daniel is such a perfectionist, yet his bedroom is so messy. The last coordinating conjunction to complete the acronym FANBOYS, FANBOYS, so is used to show a reason or result. They want to go camping, so they will buy a new tent. Which coordinating conjunction best completes the sentence? For this one, the cake looked delicious, yet few people ate it. You have to use the coordinating conjunction yet, because yet shows conflict. Branson went to the movies, but his sister stayed home, but shows a contrast. He went to the movies, but in contrast, the sister stayed home. Hayden heard knocking, so he went to the door. The coordinating conjunction so gives a result. Because he heard knocking, he went to the door. So is used. My homework is not in my desk, nor is it in my binder. Nor meaning neither, so let's plug it in with the word neither. My homework is not in my desk, neither is it in my binder. So nor is the same as the word neither or not. The parade will be canceled, for it is going to rain. For is used when you're wanting to say because. So the parade will be canceled because it is going to rain. Justin swept the floors and Abby washed the dishes. And links ideas and adds information. You can bring a lunch from home or you can buy a lunch at school. Options, either or. Bring a lunch or buy one. So now I want you to fill out your notes with me. In Seesaw, you'll have 2 pages. The first page is the complete notes page. Coordinating conjunctions, you have your example sentences for each of the coordinating conjunctions, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And it says they can connect sentences of equal rank. So we're going to follow along with me. I want you to get your highlighter, and I want you to highlight. They can connect sentences of equal rank to create a compound sentence. Now, we're going to color code the fan for fanboys, but you're going to go to page 2 for that because I rotated the notes so you can easily type in the definition for each of the coordinating conjunctions, and we're going to highlight the conjunction and the comma in each of the example sentences. So let's get started, and they've been color coded. So leave the colors as they are. So click on for. Remember, for the coordinating conjunction for, that is used when you're trying to explain something. So for means because. So type that in. And links ideas, adds info. We're going to make it fit. Nor means neither or not, and then make it a little longer so it fits, but shows contrast, and then move it around, make it longer, extend it so it all fits, or shows options. So we're going to move it. So follow along with me and fill out your notes at this time. Yet shows conflict, a problem. And we're going to stretch it so it all fits in our fan. And so gives reason or result. I'm going to put this one here so you can see it. Gives reason or result. Then we're going to move it down and place it right here. I'm going to make it a little darker so you can see. So now that we have our meanings for the conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, I want you to get your highlighter. So I want you to get the color red. Since for means because, let's look at our example sentence. You cannot walk to school, for it is pouring rain. I want you to highlight the comma and the conjunction for, because it is joining two simple sentences. Then I want you to get your orange highlighter for and. Fernanda walks the dogs and Asher feeds the bunnies. Highlight the comma and the conjunction and. Notice how it always follows this order. The sentence, it's simple. The comma, the conjunction, then the second simple sentence. So always start with the comma, then the conjunction goes after it when you're joining sentences. Nor means neither or not, and don't forget and links ideas and adds info. Nor means neither or not, so change your highlighter to purple. Vicente does not exercise, nor does he eat healthy food. Highlight the comma and the conjunction nor. But shows contrast, so change it to blue. Journey loves to eat spinach, but her mom hates it. Highlight the comma and the conjunction but. Then change it to green. Or shows options. Eliana can play soccer, or, so highlight the comma and the conjunction or, she can go to summer camp. It's showing options. Then change it to pink. Yet shows conflict. Daniel is such a perfectionist, yet, highlight the comma and the conjunction yet, his bedroom is so messy. Then for so gives reason or result. They want to go camping, so they will buy a new tent. I want you to highlight the conjunction, and I have the comma over here, but it got cut off, so we're going to write it in. Get your pencil, and whoops, it has to be orange. And there's your comma. So at this time, you are finished with the notes. Make sure that you color code with me. This will be a grade. It's important to practice taking your notes. These notes are going to help you with the follow-up task cards for coordinating conjunctions. At this time, thank you for watching, and please turn in your notes by clicking the green arrow. You know what to do. Thank you for watching, and I hope this lesson helps you out, and reference the notes. This page I'm going to have for the follow-up task cards. Thank you for watching, 4th graders.